Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Dogecoin on Binance. So it's pretty simple to buy Dogecoin in Binance. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel to get notified for more Binance related videos and other crypto related videos. And if you guys want to earn $10 bonus while signing up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link down in the description. By using that, you guys can get up to $10 bonus while signing up into Binance. So use that to sign up. Let's get on with the video. Now, to buy Dogecoin on Binance is pretty simple. After you're in Binance, you want to click on where it says trade at the bottom. You can click on traders. Now, once you're over here, you want to click on where it says BTC/USDT. Now, on my, it says BTC/USDT, but in yours, it could be different. Just click on this icon over here with like two arrows pointing in opposite direction. Click on it. Once you're over here, you want to search for Dogecoin. So write Doge. After you search for Doge, you can see over here where it says Doge, and you can choose on Doge which you want to buy. Like Doge/USDT, which means I'm going to be buying Doge using USDT. So beside Doge, you can see the terms over here. In whichever currency you want to buy, you can buy Doge. If I click on Doge/USDT, I'm buying Doge on USDT. If I click on Doge/BTC, it means I'm buying Doge on Bitcoin. So yeah, choose whichever currency you want to buy in. So I'm going to click on Doge/USDT because I'm going to buy Doge in USDT. Now once I'm over here, I want to go on the buy section. Once I'm in the buy section, I want to enter the amount of Doge I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 5 Doge coins. It's going to cost me around 1.62 USDT over here. And after that, and I just have to click on buy Doge. And if I have sufficient USDT on my account, then I will be able to buy Dogecoin. So that's basically how you guys can buy Doge on Binance. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And you guys can use our referral link down in the description to get up to $10 bonus while signing up into Binance. So I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.